Revolut versus Trading 212, which one is better? Now, looking for the best platform to manage your money or invest, let's compare Revolut and Trading 212 to help you decide. Now, Revolut is an all-in-one financial app that combines banking features with stock, crypto, and commodity in trading. It's perfect for those who want convenience and seamless experience for day-to-day banking and light investing. On the other hand, Trading 212 is a dedicated investment platform designed specifically for trading stocks, ETFs, and CFDs. It offers advanced trading tools, zero commission trades, and a practice mode for beginners. Now, the key differences for both tools are the banking features. Revolut wins with its banking tools like international money transfers and virtual cards. For investment options, Trading 212 has more in-depth features for serious traders, including detailed charts and analytics. Now for fees, both offer commission-free trading, but always check for hidden charges like foreign exchange fees or CFD spreads. Now, which one is better? Revolut is great for casual investors who want banking features, while Trading 212 is ideal for dedicated traders looking for a specialized platform. Now, what's your pick? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.